Osmosis is just a fancy way of talking about how water moves. Imagine you have a cup, and in the middle of it, there's a wall that only lets water pass through. This wall is called a semi-permeable membrane. Remember, this is only of water molecules and not for other. On one side of the membrane, there's pure water. On the other side, there's a solution, maybe sugar water or salt water. Osmosis happens when water moves from the pure water side to the side with the solution. Why? Because water loves balance. It moves to the side with more stuff dissolved in it to balance things out. Here's an easy way to think about it. Imagine the water molecules are like kids playing on two playgrounds. On one side, the playground is empty, and on the other side, it's packed with kids. More kids from the empty playground want to go over to the crowded side to even out the number of kids on each side. That's exactly what happens with osmosis. Water molecules are trying to even out the concentration of stuff. Now, let's talk about osmotic pressure. As water moves to the side with the solution, something happens, the water level rises. This rising creates pressure. That pressure is called osmotic pressure. It's the force that water creates when it moves during osmosis. Osmosis happens everywhere, even in our bodies. For example, when you put a cucumber in salty water to make pickles, the water inside the cucumber moves out through osmosis. The same process happens with our cells. Our body uses osmosis to keep our cells healthy by balancing water levels. So, to recap, osmosis is the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane from an area of less stuff to more stuff. Osmotic pressure is the force created by that water movement. It's all about balance and pressure. Thank you.